Hello everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Before I start filming this video, I feel like I should let you guys know that I've woken up in an incredible mood. I feel happy. Today feels like it's going to be a good day, and I just thought you should know. In today's video, I want to get just started very quickly because I am kind of on a time schedule. I have a doctor's appointment at 2 p.m. this afternoon, but I want to make a really big breakfast before that. So for breakfast, I am making a recipe called toad in the hole. It originated in Great Britain. It's been around for a really long time. It's also kind of been Americanized. I remember growing up, I would make it sometimes with my mom. From a piece of toast, we would cut the center out and then put a fried egg in the middle. But the proper recipe is a little bit more complicated. So I've decided to try it out. I ended up making it last night because I wasn't sure how it was going to go, and I thought maybe it would be easier if I prepared it the night before and then just heated it up in the morning. It turned out amazing. Holy crap. Wow. The basic idea of it is to use meat or leftover pieces of meat and bake it into kind of a crust, so it becomes this filling, complete meal. And when this dish became popular, it was an affordable way to feed a family. Meat was very expensive, so the idea of adding other ingredients that were much less expensive and then creating a dish out of it was desirable. In the version that I have made, I used vegan sausage because I do not eat meat, and I also made like a gluten-free kind of a crust. I ended up eating a piece last night. I just felt like it would be a crime not to try it when it was hot out of the oven, and it was so good. I just basically put the whole pan in our fridge. So this is what it looks like the morning after. Maybe slightly less appetizing, but no doubt it's going to be equally as delicious. I'm just going to cut a couple more slices and heat them up in a pan for us with some butter. And in the meantime, I will prepare my other parts of breakfast. Okay, this is everything that I have made for breakfast. We have our toad in the hole. I added a little bit of butter on top just to give it some more salty flavor. I made scrambled eggs with Parmesan and fresh herbs. We have fresh fruit, dates, and we have some beverages over here. Celery juice, milk. I made myself a chai with honey. And of course, I made Nick a coffee. So I'm gonna go wake Nick up. He is still sleeping. He has been doing a lot of work really late at night and sleeping in, but hopefully this will be a great way for us to start the day together, just sitting down to a nice meal.
Thank you.
How'd I do?
Okay. So we got hot dog for Todd.
It's sausage.
That was good.
You want some celery juice? Want some milk?
No, some juice.
So good, so full. No, you don't. Hello again. It is now a little bit after 12 p.m. I don't know why it's so dark. LA has been just weirdly on and off overcast, but I took a nice little piece of the morning to get ready for the day and really spend some time like putting myself together. I might look exactly the same as I did when I first started filming this morning, but I actually really put careful consideration into my outfit, aka the same outfit I always wear. I like took a lot of time to just do my morning rituals and put myself together, and it feels really nice. I did my hair. I just did all the little things that make me feel good. And I'm going to leave here in about 25 to 30 minutes to go to my doctor's appointment. I am going to see my new cardiologist who I really, really like. And today I am turning in my heart rate monitor that I've been wearing for the past couple of weeks. And I'm also doing a stress test in their office. It's basically where you either run on a treadmill or you ride some sort of an exercise bike or machine, and they hook you up to like an EKG while you're exercising so they can make sure that your heart is responding appropriately to stress or exercise, you know? I do track my heart frequently when I'm exercising at home. Like I wear a Fitbit pretty much every day, so I am able to kind of see my heart rate recovery and how fast my heart is beating and whatnot. Like I said in one of my last videos where I talked about it, I feel optimistic and excited to kind of get some more answers about these like weird heart symptoms that I've been experiencing. I should know more in the next week or so, and I'm not stressing out about it. Before I head out to my doctor's appointment, I do want to mention that today's video is sponsored by Native. If you have never heard of them before, they make a variety of personal care and hygiene products, and they recently launched their plastic-free deodorant line last year in 2020. And I personally have been using it ever since their launch. It's the only deodorant that I've used, and it is truly amazing. It is such a good product. I'm going to show you what they look like if you haven't seen them before. This is my deodorant that I've been using for the past month or so. You can see that it's pretty much almost all the way pushed up in there, but I did just restock on my two favorite scents. The citrus and herbal musk is a little bit like woodsy and spicy, and the charcoal is more of a clean kind of mineral scent. I am like much more of a masculine type of scent wearer, so I always like gravitate more towards those like androgynous smells, but of course anyone can wear anything they want. They do have a bunch of different scents. I've tried almost all of them, but they did just launch 2 new ones. You can find all of that information on their website. You can find their entire ingredient list on their website as well. It's very clean, and all of their deodorants are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and they do not contain any aluminum, sulfates, or parabens. This is really important to me, as I'm sure it is for many of you. I've tried so many natural deodorants in the past over the years, and it's always hard to find one that works throughout the day, doesn't irritate your armpits, and is just a good product. If you guys would like to try their plastic-free deodorants out, you can go to the link in my description box below and use my code itsblitzzz3 for 25% off of a custom 3-pack. Normally it is $39, but you will be able to choose 3 scents of your choice for just $29, which is a great deal. Very affordable in my opinion. They also offer free shipping and free returns on all US orders. So check it out. I will leave more information below. Cannot say enough positive things about them. And of course, if you guys have tried them, let me know your feedback. I am back from my doctor's appointment. Everything went fine. I'm not gonna get any results until they've been reviewed and whatnot, but I came home, took a shower because I was covered in like all types of weird gel from the ultrasound and everything. And Nick and I are going to make borscht for dinner. It is the first time I have ever attempted to make it. Nick says he's had it one time, but yeah, we're gonna try to make it. It's a really popular dish in Russia, the Ukraine, Poland, different parts of Europe. Is Russia in Europe? Yeah. Yeah, right? Yeah. So I have put on my borscht color turtleneck that Nick actually got me for Christmas in a weird turn of events. It's not a color that I would typically ever wear, but I thought if there was one time to wear it, it would be while I'm shredding beets and potentially going to ruin all of my clothing. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Are you gonna be mad if I tell people about this turtleneck? I would not throw it away. The story behind this, basically, my mom asked for this exact turtleneck for Christmas, and Nick decided to buy it for her and asked me what color I thought she would like. And I said she would probably like the purple. So for Christmas, for some reason, Nick bought it for me. I don't know what kind of reverse psychology that was. But I am now the owner of this turtleneck. That's what happened. All right, well, I'm gonna get our ingredients while you're doing whatever you're doing. This turtleneck is definitely not my color. All right, let me just read off the list to you and you can tell me if we have anything. Cute. Nick, I have a serious question.
Huh?
If you went to a bar and you saw a girl wearing this shirt, would you hit on her?
No. I don't know. I'm not a fan of turtlenecks, period, but I know you like them. I thought you liked that color because you picked it up for your mom. There you go.
You don't think turtlenecks look good on me?
I don't like turtlenecks.
That's the rudest thing anyone's ever said to me. Honestly. Filming a YouTube video.
You told me not to pick up because we're filming a video.
Well, sometimes you just gotta pick up when a friend calls.
That's what I said.
Well.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Do you want to be in the video?
Yeah, but only if I just sit like this the whole time and stay in prison.
Alright.
But shout out Brandon, released from prison. We're making borscht. Have you ever had that?
I've never even heard of borscht.
Borscht. Is the T silent?
I don't know. What up?
What's up?
A little bit more. You know what Nick said to me? He said that he doesn't like turtlenecks.
But she always wears turtlenecks, so you're kind of fucked there.
I know. Also, I bought this for her as a gift. So
I gotta be honest with you, Juliet, I think that Nick would actually look good in a turtleneck on a nice little night out. I think you wear anything you want. That's the best thing. You really can.
Yeah.
Cool, gas each other up. I'll be over here. Does that look good to you? Our borscht is finally done. I'm pretty sure that I've been pronouncing it incorrectly this whole time, so apologies. Feel free to correct me in the comment section. This is what it looks like. I should also add that we made a vegetarian version, so there's no meat. I will link the recipe below. I've actually been watching this channel called Positive Pranic very often. It's a woman and she cooks all the time. And I use one of her recipes actually in my last video as well, the stewed apples. Go check her channel out, I will link it below. I also have some bread over here that I toasted and put butter on, and we will top our borscht with sour cream and a little bit of fresh parsley.
That's good, thanks.
Okay. And this is what our final dinner looks like. Thanks for helping. pretty good for the first attempt. Anyone who makes this regularly, feel free to chime in with tips or share your own recipe or tell us how it looks. Did we fuck it up? Uh-oh. No?
What do you think?
It's different.
It's like funny too because it's so fucking time consuming. Like shredding the carrots and stuff took me like 20 minutes.
I mean, it tastes like it's good for us, right? You know, I don't hate it. I will say, my great-grandmother is from Austria, and when I told my mom I was making this recipe, my mom said that my great-grandmother used to make it for my mom all the time, and she said she did not like it, but she also doesn't like beets. I don't know if the Austrian version of it is different in some way, but I'm pretty sure it's all beet-based, right? Anyways. Well, for someone who didn't like it a lot, Nick finished his in like 5 minutes. I also finished mine. It definitely felt healthy. I also forgot that I changed my turtleneck, so this now marks the most turtlenecks I've ever worn in a single video. Goodbye.
What was that?
Thought I looked good in this turtleneck.
I think you look great in the turtleneck.
Are you being serious?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.